Welcome to Fairway Drive here in Vienna, Virginia. We designed this with the client. They wanted to remodel a home and have their own charm and character and wanted to move closer to the golf course. Our client is an interior design and furniture selector, so she really wanted to add her own inspiration and design style. When you enter this 1960s split level home, we had a small kitchen, there was hallways, there was dining room, there was living room, and it was just a tight space. So the first thing we did on the design was open this room up. Previously there were ceiling joists and this was a flat ceiling, so we wanted to vault it. This right here is where the kitchen is, and we added a large window, pass-through window, French casement, so we'll be able to pass food and drink to our outdoor living space. But we're going sub-zero refrigerator, all new appliances, all kitchen cabinets, an oversized island over here, and a built-in breakfast nook cabinetry over here. We used to have this sunroom back here that the client decided this could be a very cool, inclusive dining room. So we converted this dining room that then has a view of an outdoor chimney, the deck, and some nice vaulted ceilings. We're gonna have an amazing visual while you're sitting down and having dinner, looking out at the fireplace burning and overlooking the golf course.